Hey translation team, I want to show you a quick way to do translations with ChatGPT. Take a look. I'm going to send you this video including the prompt and an example. Take a look. So here is the prompt I have written. You can use this prompt and just change it as you want. Let's go through this prompt to understand what we're going to do here. I will give you parameters that contain sentences in English. And you will translate the sentences of the parameters into Hebrew, or you change to German, Dutch, whatever you want. Keep the parameter name in English. Only translate the sentence of the parameter according to the following rules. Now we follow some rules. Leave the new line strings in their place, meaning we don't want it to change this. So the new line strings remains. Do not add any line breaks. The entire translation should be in one line. If I give you a question, do not answer the question, just translate, because some of the parameters have questions that we ask the users and we don't want the AI to confuse and actually answer those. If you see these words, use the following translation. You know, sometimes ChatGPT doesn't know the ham radio language, so it chooses the wrong terminology. So in Hebrew, I say whenever they says beacon, use this word in Hebrew, and of course you can use your German or whatever. So if you find common mistakes in ChatGPT for taking a word like slot and you want something equivalent that you already use in other translation you did, then you can put it here and ChatGPT will follow this rule and not invent a new. So this is the vocabulary you want ChatGPT to follow. Now, words you must leave in English. You don't want some words to be translated. For example, QSO, VMail, EmComm. You can add yours. If you see words that it translates that you don't like, just add them here and it will follow. Now, there are some terminologies that if it uses that you don't want ChatGPT to use. Like, for example, I say every time you think of using this word, use this. So this is another way, like if sometimes it says a word you don't want, but there is an alternative one in your language, then you do this. So this is like from German to German or from Dutch to Dutch, equivalent word you want to use. You say ready. Now let's see how it actually works. So I'm going to copy this to the clipboard and I'm going to go to ChatGPT and I'm going to paste it here. And I'm going to click enter. And now he says, yes, I'm ready. Please send the parameter you want to translate. Now I will take parameters from one of the groups and add it here. So I'm going to open the missing elements of version 11. And let's say I just want to take section 45 here. All these, right? Or maybe we take something more interesting, like this one. You see, there's a lot of text here. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to do copy. And I'm going to paste it here into ChatGPT. Now watch the magic happens. Here you see the parameters comes back in Hebrew. Of course, you can do it in your language. All you have to do once it ends everything, it will soon end, is to copy it through this button. Go to another screen like a notepad or something, paste it. And now you can do little changes, like if you want some changes or so. If you find repetitive mistakes, go back to the prompt and add your parameters. Trust me, guys, it took me 5 minutes to do a work of 1 hour that I used to do. So I strongly advise, if you still have backlog in translation, use this. Don't even fix it. Fix it later if you have time. But let's have something for the users. It's going to save a lot of time and effort for you guys. And all you need to do now is just validate the translation rather than doing the translation. It's a game changer. Do it, guys. It's really easy. 73s.